Hello everyone, this is Jenny from Tuftinglove.com, and today we are going to solve the problem that your gear will not rotate anymore or will not rotate smoothly. I got both our tufting guns here, the cut pile and the loop pile, and I will show you different situations. As always, before we start working on our tufting guns, we unplug it because we don't want to turn it accidentally on and have our hands on the moving stuff. So, first things first, we got messages from people who adjusted their foot on their loop pile tufting gun. Basically, your foot is perfectly adjusted when it comes. You never need to touch the top bearing, nor you need to touch the foot. The support of the needle, where the needle sits on, is too close to the foot. And if this touches the foot and basically glides or pushes into it, that's what can make your gear run unsmoothly. We don't want this, so we always want to have this tiny little gap between foot and needle, and it can just stay like this. You don't ever need to adjust this, because if you go more to the front, you will end up with an uneven weave. That's a problem we talk about in another tutorial video. Just leave your top bearing on 57 centimeters and the foot as it is, with this tiny gap. That's a standard setting of bearing and foot that we never need to touch. To adjust the pile height on the loop pile, we only need this screw. Second option, cut pile tufting gun. If you're having the problem of not going to the right pile length of this part while adjusting your pile height, you most probably didn't loosen that screw and you're going from a low pile to the highest pile maybe, and your scissor will not be able to move. So just loosen that one. Then the next option is that when you adjusted your bearing, you have not been in the fully aligned position, what will lead you to lengthen this too much and not be able to move around. Don't turn on your gun if your gear is not moving smoothly, because it's not gonna do anything good to your motor, your gear, or anything. Always make sure that when you're adjusting, this is in line. It should not stand like this and you push it all the way so your pusher is adjusted to the foot. You have to make sure this is in line. A straight line to the front, and adjust it like that. Then you can tighten everything back and check it again. And now our gear is moving smoothly, just as it should. I think that were all the possible problems that can cause an unsmooth or not running gear at all. If you have this problem and it's not solved with these different explanations, please leave a comment and we'll figure it out together.